Hello everyone. Now let's see what are we gonna do here. You have to get the black and white sheet, paste it in this form, and you have to make this penguin, paste the sticks, and this is get ready. Further here you have to get the sheet, get them pasted in this form. You have to make the spirals, get them pasted, and your snail is ready. Pretty cool. You can decorate it further. Now here let's have a sheet. You have to keep on folding the sheets in this manner one over the other. Get them beautifully pasted. Press them lightly gently with the help of your fingers. Further you just have to keep on getting the strawberries and all. Get them beautifully pasted in this manner. Further you have to get the leaf part. You have to attach it on the top of it and just get it made into this manner. Further here what you have to do, you have to get the heart shape pattern. You have to paste it one over the other, get the eyes pasted and then the cheek blushes. Then you have to get the antennas and then get the wings made into this form. Beautiful, isn't it?